Good morning, Kinders. Happy Friday. It is January 22nd, 1-22-21. You have 7 things you can do again today, so let's hop in and get started. First off, in your handwriting book, great news, you get to do art. Yeah, you are going to go to page 74. Make sure you're on this page, 7 10s and 4 1s. And it says, draw a picture of your favorite Bible story. Now, you have to remember the Bible is big. You have all of the creation stories, so Adam and Eve, or when they ate the apple and sinned, or Noah's Ark. Okay, you could have King David fighting Goliath, or you could have Mary being told by the angel she's going to have Jesus. You could have Jesus being born, or any of the amazing things Jesus does when he's out preaching about God's good news, or you could even have him dying on the cross. So anything you choose from the Bible, you want to draw a beautiful picture. That's all you have for handwriting today. On Monday, we'll do some words about it, but for today, you just get to draw and color a beautiful picture, okay? That's job 1. Job 2, we're going to jump in with our new word family, and this is the UG family, okay? So UG, U-G. Here's what the page looks like. Today, you're just going to do the top half like always. So first, let's read our words. Bug, chug, dug, hug, lug, mug, rug, slug, snug, and tug. So up here, I want you to write your words so neatly and then color UG, because that's the part that rhymes. Down here, you can color your bug. You could even try to read this. Do you see the bug? And then circle bug because it has the UG sound. Do you see the slug? Color him, circle slug. Okay? Top half today. We'll do this on Monday. That's your second job. Now your third job is going to be fun. You'll need a little help, okay? So you have this list and you'll need to save this because we'll play again on Monday. And it has all these different things. So what you're going to do is get a dice and roll it, okay? I got a 5. So now I can go here and I get to choose which list to make. So it says, write a list of nouns you can eat. That sounds good. Write a list of nouns that are big. Just think of all the big things you can. Or write a list of nouns that you might find at the park. So let's talk about a few. You need to come up with 3. If you want to go for more, have at it, but you only need 3, okay? So write a list of nouns that you can eat. So on the back of your paper or on a piece of white paper, you would think of things you can eat. There's a hint. Cupcake, okay? Pizza, apple, carrots, anything you can eat, and then you can try to sound it out. So maybe you try cupcake. What do you hear for up, cake? Okay, stretch it, get all the sounds that you can, and that's what you would do. So at least 3. You don't have to do all 3 of these. You pick one and write me 3 nouns. So if you want to do 3 things you eat, do it. If you want to do 3 things you find at the park, that should be easy, right? Slide, swings, climbing wall, okay? Sound out 3 things you find at the park. So you roll your dice, and then you can have someone help you. Read which list you get to do, and then you try to come up with 3 words for that list. And again, you'll need to save both these jobs because we're coming back to them on Monday, okay? All right, that was your 3rd job. Your 4th job I sent home with you. A few of you kinders have your alphabet match. So parents, they should know this. They lay out all their capital letters and then they try to match the lowercase on top. I usually go through and check them and have them say their sounds. So a few of them brought home that. A few brought home a frog hop game where they will just need 2 little pieces to play, and then you spin and you have to sound out the words. They've played it lots of times, so they should be able to play. All right, so you guys can play with a brother or a sister or a parent, whoever is willing to play with you. That's your 4th job, whatever game I sent home. 5th job is your math page. Very much the same as last time, okay? So you'll get your colors out, you'll write your name. Here's what it says. Color the 9 brown. This time we're going to 9. Color the 17 red. Color the 13 blue. Color the 11 yellow. Color the 15 green. Color the 3 black. Color the 18 purple. and color the 12 orange, okay? And then on the back, same as last time, addition. So you count the dots, there's 6, write me a 6. Count the dots, there's 1. How many altogether? 6 plus 1 equals 7, okay? And then you have this fun thing. And maybe you only get one step, and that's fine. Okay, we have an equation like 4 plus 3 equals, then there's a box. Now I'm going to teach you this. This is really cool. So if I have 4 plus 3 equals, I can come in here and I can draw dots. Remember that to count? So I'm going to do orange dots. I'm going to do 4 and then 3 more. And then I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now you'll notice I gave you all this space down here, and here's why. Some of you might be ready for this pattern, some of you might not. And if you just figure out these 4 equations, I'll be happy, okay? You just want to figure out the answers? Cool. If you want a challenge, check this out. If I know that 4 plus 3 is 7, I can figure out that 40, and this is what you'd write underneath, 40 plus 30 equals, look, it's the same thing. 4 plus 3 is 7, and then I leave my 0 on the end. So 40 plus 30 is 70. And then I could go 400 plus 300 equals 700. Okay? So you would write these things in this empty space under your equation. Okay? So then you could go to the next one, figure out 5 plus 3. You write your answer, and then you could write 50 plus 30 and 500 plus 300. Remember, that challenge is only there if you want it, okay? Then you can read when you're all done with those things. So quick recap, you have handwriting, you draw a Bible story, okay? The top half of your UGG family, make me a list of nouns, at least 3 of them, try to sound them out. Then you get to play either your frog hop game or your alphabet match. Then you have your math page, both sides. Then you have your growing equations, and finally reading. And that is it for Friday. I will see you Monday, back at school Tuesday.